everyone, I'm Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. And today I'm going to be making my ultimate cheeseburger. It's going to be the bomb. Delicious. Come on everyone, let's go. Oh yeah. Everyone, we're gonna go through the ingredients. We got hamburger buns, of course, American cheese. We got some eggs here. I'm gonna be making my little cabbage, roasted garlic. You know, it's gonna be on the side. Avocado, red onions, Himalayan salt, pink salt, mustard, Worcestershire, sliced up jalapenos, pickles, breadcrumbs, tomatoes, romaine lettuce, yellow potatoes, crushed peppers for my little garlic roasted salad. And then we have light mayonnaise, we got garlic, onions, and white pepper. We also have my favorite sauce right here, the garlic roasted, and olive oil. So, oh, and of course we got the bacon and the ground beef right here, which is 92% lean, so it's very healthy. So come on, let's have fun, let's go. All right, here are the ingredients. We're gonna put some Worcestershire in there. I would say roughly there's 3 pounds of ground beef, so we're gonna add on probably like 2 tablespoons in there just to give a good flavor to it. Now we're gonna add on a little bit of mustard. I would say probably like 1.5 tablespoons. That should be plenty. Granulated garlic, probably like a teaspoon in there, about 1.5 teaspoons. Now we're going to do the same thing with the onions. About the same. Now we're going to add on some white pepper to it. I would say maybe like, if you don't want it too spicy, about half a teaspoon. Now here's the secret. I'm gonna crack an egg in there, so this egg is gonna hold on to the meat. That way, when you put it on the grill, it's not gonna, you know, go everywhere. So we're gonna add some salt with it. I would say about 1.5 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add out some breadcrumbs as well. I would say about that much. That should be good enough. Which is probably like maybe like less than 1/4 cup. So you're just gonna now just mix it around with your hands everywhere. If you want it spicy, cayenne pepper, but you know, I got the kids here, so I don't want them. I want them to enjoy their cheeseburgers. Now I'm gonna add on just a little bit of beer just to add a little extra taste to it. Little extra flavor. Now I'm gonna make them into hamburger patties, and we're gonna rinse out the vegetables and all that, and see you guys in a little bit. All right. Now we're gonna make the hamburger patty. Make it a little thick. There's one. Perfect. All right, now that we got the potatoes peeled, Gonna slice them up, make them like French fries or potato wedges. Pretty much French fries. I forgot to let you guys know I'm gonna season it with seasoning salt. Lawry's, whichever seasoning salt you have. All right, we're gonna season it with the seasoned salt. Make sure you move it around. Just you know, you should have an idea how much to add on to it. I'd say that should be good enough right there. Use both hands. And then just let it sit there for a while. And that should be good. Alright, now what we're gonna do, make sure you guys always rinse out, you know, all your vegetables. So this is organic romaine lettuce. Your tomatoes as well. Makes it out really good. Alright, now we're gonna slice up the tomatoes, you know, so you can have it with the cheeseburger. Should be good enough. Slice them up really, really thin. Alright, now we're gonna slice this up, and it's gonna be for cabbage salad. So this is gonna be really, really thin as well. Alright, now we're gonna slice up the cabbage. Alright, now we're gonna slice up the cabbage. Make the little cabbage salad. Garlic roasted salad. Alright, I'm mixing the cabbage with red onion with it together. Now I'm gonna crush up some little peppers. That's gonna make a big difference to it. Alright, I'm gonna be using this garlic sauce to it. This is gonna make a big difference in this salad. Since there's a lot of cabbage, I would say at least half a bottle. And then you can always add on to it. It smells so lovely. Pure garlic. Alright, I'm complete now. I got my Spider-Man apron. Alright, let's get the cheeseburger going. Should probably take, I would say roughly about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. Alright, here we go. We're going to make the French fries. We're going to put some olive oil. Get the fire on medium. I'm going to turn it up a little higher, probably like close to 3/4. Okay, we're gonna leave it there till, you know, I would say keep an eye on it for like 6-7 minutes on each side, you know, till it's a little golden brown. Now we're gonna make the bacon. All right, got the fire on medium already. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. It's already getting golden on one side. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Check out the burgers. Oh, nice. Perfect timing. So it's been about I would say 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So let's I'll come back in about 5 minutes. Then we're going to put the cheese on top. And it's looking lovely, looking good. All right, here we go. We're about to make an egg. Gonna add some salt to it. Just add a little white paper as well. There you go. Now we're gonna flip the egg right now. All right, here comes the best part. I already put some mayo in it. Now we're gonna add, well, I like mustard on my cheeseburger. Now we're gonna add some pickles. Sliced up jalapenos. That was gonna have a nice little spicy bite to it. Gotta have my lettuce. Some onions. There we go. Alright everyone, here comes the best part. Let's try it. Ooh-wee. Check this baby out. Wow, everything came out so amazing. The garlic coleslaw, it's a little spicy, it's got a nice little bite. French fries has a nice seasoning flavor, and the burger is to die. Cheers everyone, salud. I want to thank you all for subscribing, like, and even your comments. God bless you all. Happy 4th of July, and stay safe. Good night.